got a letter. We just got a letter.
Wait, is there anything inconspicuous in the background? What's good? How you doing? It's your girl D back with another video. So I will explain why I've been gone in a separate video because I do not want to mess with the message of this one. Okay. If you are a mom, happy Mama's Day. For me, Mother's Day typically is just a regular day. My place of employment is actually open 7 days a week, and my son, bless his little heart, my son typically finds some way to surprise me on Mother's Day, which I have to hand it to him. This year probably is the best. The few days leading up to Mother's Day, he's asking me, Mom, do you want me to come home on Mother's Day? Because he splits his time between my house, his stepmother's house with her husband, and then his father's house with his girlfriend. And I'm like, kid, it is okay. You do not have to come home just for my sake. Because if you do, you're going to have to cut the grass. Anyhow, Mother's Day comes, I work. It's just, okay, regular paced day. He calls me after I get off work. He's like, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I got you some candy and a card. And I say, kid, why are you telling me what it is that you got me? Let me be surprised, okay? He's like, well, Mom. And I'm like, listen, I gotta go. I'm going to my best friend's house because I wanted to surprise her for Mother's Day. So I popped up at my best friend's house, brought her favorite drink from Starbucks. I come home and this wonderful 6-pack of Snickers, complete with note, Happy Mother's Day, is sitting on my bed. Now remember, I tell you, my son splits his time to my house, stepmom's house, dad's house. This weekend was dad's weekend. But this is a note that is written in my son's handwriting. The card was from his step-parents, because I have an awesome relationship with them, absolutely. And I messaged them, who's been to my house? Who's been there? And she says, what do you mean? Who's been to my house? Why is there a card from y'all on my bed? And why is there candy from my son on my bed? Because he's not here. And then at that moment, he opens up his bedroom door because he was in there just as quiet as a mouse, and I, completely distracted, didn't realize that he was home because he was quiet. Opens up his bedroom door, pops out, and scared the crap out of me. And my mother, who I was on the phone with as well while texting his stepmom, I'm sure she'll remember how loud I had to pause talking to her so I could cuss my son out, like, how did you get here? You don't drive. But his stepsister took it, and it was lovely, and he brought me everything that I needed and waited on me hand and foot and cut the grass. So it was a nice little Mother's Day surprise. And honestly, I'm not super big on Mother's Day as it is anyways, but to know that he still convinced his older sibling to give him a ride home so he could spend time with me on Mother's Day, and he still managed to give me my favorite candy as well. It's a good kid. I love that kid. Anyhow, speaking of Mother's Day, his mom's coming all shapes and sizes. And I am a round shape. Sometimes I need help with my round shape. So we got a package of things to look at from Shapermint. I love Shapermint so much. Last year, I was graciously provided some Shapermint items. Some nice new shapewear that came just in time for my mom's wedding. I was so excited. Yes! I love this. I absolutely love this. Come through inclusivity. Come through. Oh, man, I love it when companies send cool stickers. I absolutely do. That makes me so happy. Oh, yay. Oh, we got a lot of things. We got... these need help. Thank you. We've got, oh yeah, we got some more boy shorts. We've got leggings. We've got a camisole. Yes, undershirts. We've got, ooh, another high-waisted shaper short. Let's get into it, shall we? First of all, let's look at this Daily Comfort wire-free shaper bra. Oh yeah, that's a shape right there. That's shaped. Okay, true kind. Oh, we've got a bra extender. That is handy. Oh yeah, I am excited for this. I have had a hefty chest my entire life and sometimes find it very difficult to go without some type of support in some way, shape, or form. So I'm glad to have this for, I need to look and see. Okay. Ready for a new underwear drawer staple. Grab the support and comfort you deserve with an easy, comfortable daily bra that'll leave you free to focus on what's really important, your day. Just remember to take it off from time to time. You'll definitely forget that you have it on. And we are comprised of fiber, polyamide, elastane, okay, and the shell lining and the waistband, machine wash cold. And please reuse this pouch. Say less. I am excited because I've had such a busty chest my whole life. Again, hard to go without shapewear in some way, shape, or form. And oftentimes, like, there's a lot of girls who like, you know, take care of their bras to sleep. I feel weird taking off my bra to go to bed. So I'm glad to have something soft like this that'll still provide me that support. Because you know how you wake up in the morning and you roll over, but not like a titty's over here, and another one's like over here, kind of just like. So I'm glad for this. Yay, let's look next. We've got high-waisted shaper shorts, which is pretty self-explanatory. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. I like these, A, because they've got this nice silicone lines in there to help them keep from rolling down. I've got a black pair of these that I got last year. They also have a little bit of boning here to help them stay up, and because of the design of the elastic, they everything in place for real. So I really enjoy these, but also with summer coming, I am someone who's got thick thighs right here, my guy, with 2 C's, and I have a lot of cute sundresses and skirts that I do not like to wear because my thighs rub together and you will start a forest fire. I tried to go without something like that at Comic-Con a few weeks ago, and it was absolute torture about midway through. Normally, I'd use like spray deodorant. I've tried bandelettes, but they just roll down my thighs, and then it's just like, is that your underwear? No, it's not my underwear. It's supposed to be to keep my thighs from chafing. Mind your business. Super excited for these. Oh man, I love these leggings. I got a pair last year, and like I literally filmed the Shapermint video and then jumped into a pair of the leggings and went to my son's orchestra concert. So these look, oh, these are green. Yes. These are, wait, are they green or are they gray? This light's bright. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Again, it's got that silicone banding right there to keep things up. And they've got, like, if you just look at the etching and the design, look at it. To help everything in place. I'm glad that I got this other pair. These are fun to wear under dresses too, and I really like these for the winter time as well because they are thick. They've got some extra reinforced seams. Just gosh. And we've got, it is so hard to get one of these camisoles from Shapermint because everyone wants one. which I get why, but like, sure, okay. Super excited about this because of the fact that, again, it's got that special weaving to help stuff in place. It's also got adjustable straps. Oh, you're supposed to put this on. You gotta put this on. You gotta put this on like it's a dress. Like, you don't put this on over your head. You put this on with your legs. Oh, we serious? We serious? Okay, all right, cool. I like to wear a camisole or undershirt under my clothes at all times as a self-conscious thing because, unfortunately, being curvy, standard clothes don't fit the way that they would fit on someone who is not necessarily curvy. And I guess I had bent down too low, or I bent over to pick something up and the back of my underwear was exposed. And considering the conservative environment that I was working in at the time, that was like a huge no-no and a really big deal. And my supervisor at the time was male, and it was not presented to me in a delicate means, and it really hurt my feelings, and it really made me feel uncomfortable, like I wasn't valued. And so subconsciously, ever since, even these 14 years later, I always have to wear an undershirt underneath my clothes no matter what, because that's like how badly it was presented to me, that, and I didn't want to get any more complaints, I didn't want to get in trouble or anything like that. Someone was uncomfortable because they saw the back of my underwear, and yes, I get and understand that you know, seeing someone else's intimate underwear or whatever it was, because, you know, we wear thongs around here, but I can get and understand how that can make someone else feel uncomfortable, but also at the same time, there was no care taken to ensure my comfort. And so I said to myself, you will never have a complaint about that from me ever again. Like, bye. So I always, I have so many camisoles that have, like, they're ratty now because they've got holes with it, because that's how long it is that I've used them and kept them. So I'm so glad to have something that is high quality that will also help to some things up. So yay for that. And said individual, like, I've since left that place of employment. Said individual is not, at least I don't think they're in a supervisory role anymore. I'm sure they've, like, had an opportunity to grow and change from then, but whatever. Anyhow, then we got some boy shorts with some booyah walking everywhere. Yeah, I like these for under sundresses and summer skirts and stuff like that too. These don't have the little boning that the high-waisted shorts do, but all of them do still have the silicone rubbery band, to help keep things from rolling down. So I like these a lot. Man, I'm so excited for all of my new Shapermint stuff. Yay! Man, this is a good haul, and I don't know what I like the most. Like, I don't know if I'm most excited about this camisole, I'm most excited about the leggings, if I'm most excited about another pair of the boy shorts, because, like, it's also good to have multiples of some of the same items as well. So that way, if you need to do laundry, like I do, terribly, but you don't want to go dig out the same good fitting pair of shapewear, you've got a backup or something. So I do encourage you to get at least maybe 2 of your fave, if at all possible. So I'm glad to get the boy shorts again. Okay, that's it. That's all that I've got for now. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. It's okay if you don't. It's fine. There's an X in the corner for you to click. Get your life, get out the dream. But if you are here for me and my shenanigans, it's fine. And I want you to know that you're beautiful, amazing, wonderful, spectacular. If no one else has told you, I appreciate you. Take care. I hope that you all had an amazing Mother's Day. And I will talk to you soon.